Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises.
Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a Thanos makeup look. If you would like to see how I created this Thanos inspired makeup look, then please keep watching.
I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. 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 You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So this is the final look and I am in love with it. The colours are just gorgeous. I really love all the purples and everything. I just showed my mum it and she was like, it's a shame you don't have somewhere where you could like wear this out. I guess you could go to like Comic-Con and do something like this, or Halloween, fancy dress, anything like that, but I have none of them coming up at the moment. So if you like this video, let me know by pressing the thumbs up button down below. If you like crazy makeup looks like this, then make sure to hit the subscribe button down below because that is all I do here. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now.